We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Washing your face beforehand helps to pre-exfoliate the skin, and removing hair also makes the mask removal more manageable, says Deborah Jaliman, MD, a dermatologist in New York City. Both Dr. Jaliman and Dr. Piliang suggested applying the mask to only your T-zone or areas that have blackheads. Is this intense charcoal face mask safe? Health.com.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.